Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of Standard 9th, welcome to the online lecture series for the subject of Science 2. So in the last lecture we had discussed about excretion in plants, and today we are going to discuss excretion in human beings. So as you know that excretion is the process in which the unwanted waste materials are removed from the body. So in human beings, how this excretion take place, let us see. There are different organs in the human body to bring about the different processes, such as the digestive system for digestion of food, respiratory system for respiration. The process of digestion leading to energy production is an important process of our body. Various waste materials are formed during these processes. So in our body, various waste materials are formed during the energy production and the food which we eat. So that waste form of material has get to be removed. The removal of waste from the body is very important, and it is the excretory system that carry out this function. So human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys. Very important. You should remember this, that human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, and then it have a pair of ureters, the urinary bladder and urethra. So urine is formed by the kidneys, and they are separating the waste and unwanted excess substance from the blood. Okay, so we can say excretory system is a unit in a body, is a system in a body where blood gets filtered. Okay, the blood gets filtered. Now let us see that. So here, as you can see, this is our excretory system. So the two bean shaped kidneys are situated, one on either side of the vertebral column on the posterior side of abdomen, and the functional unit of the kidney that performs the basic function of filtration is called a nephron. Okay, so we have a unit in kidney which is called as nephron, which is carrying out this function of filtration. Each nephron has a cup-like thin wall. I will show you. Yeah, this is a nephron. Okay, so it have a cup-like shape called as Bowman's capsule, and the network of capillaries in it is called as glomerulus. The urea produced in the liver comes into the blood, and when the urea containing blood comes into the glomerulus, it is filtered through its capillaries, and urea and other similar substances are separated from it. So in our kidney we have this nephron, a unit where the blood enters and it gets filtered. Okay, this is a simple thing what you have to remember. Understood? And then the blood gets filtered, the filtered blood goes back to the body. Okay, it is given back to the heart. Then the remaining waste material goes further in the part of kidney, and it's get converted into urine. Okay, moving ahead. So this is what a nephron look like. Water molecules and small molecules of other substances, this cross semi-permeable membrane of Bowman's capsule. The solution accumulated in the cavity of Bowman's capsule passes into the tubular part of the nephron. So we have this tubular part of the nephron where this solution pass on, and here molecules of water and some other useful substances are reabsorbed into the blood. Urine is formed. Here where urine is formed from the remaining solution which is full of waste materials. So students, remember how urine is formed. The urine is carried by the ureters. Okay, so you can see here the ureter. This is the ureter attached to the kidney and stored in the urinary bladder. Fine. So this is the urinary bladder. Okay, this is urinary bladder. Over here, after some time or afterwards, urine is given out through the urethra. The urinary bladder is muscular and it is under the control of nerves. Hence, we are able to keep control of urination. Though the kidney are main organs of excretion in human being, the skin and the lungs also help in the process of excretion. Okay, excretion also take place through skin and lungs as well. So the right kidney is slightly lower in position, then the left. Each kidney has approximately 10 lakh nephrons. Remember this, 10 lakh nephrons in each kidney. The approximately 5 liter of blood which is present in normal healthy person body is filtered by the kidney about 400 times every day. Thus, every kidney, the kidneys filter about 190 liters of blood, from which about 1 to 1.9 liters of urine is formed. The remaining liquid is reabsorbed. Now, what if those people whose kidney does not function well, okay, if they have problem in functioning of the kidney, so for them there is a process called as dialysis of blood. So it's a machine where their arteries and veins are connected to the machine called as dialyzer machine, okay, and in that the function of the kidney which is supposed to be done is done by this machine, okay. So here is the look of that machine. You can see here the efficiency of kidneys can be adversely affected by injury or by the infection or decrease in blood supply. In case this happens, an excess of toxic substances accumulates in the body and it can lead to death, okay. So if kidney fails, nitrogenous wastes are separated from the blood with the help of man-made machine, and the process of separating the nitrogenous waste from blood with the help of this machine is called dialysis. Very important, it's called dialysis, okay. About 500 ml of blood is sent at one time through this machine. Purified blood is reinfused into the body of patient. So you can see here that this part, okay, from where the blood is taken out and it passes through the machine, and again that blood is re-entered, reinfused, so that the blood which is purified now enter in the blood in the body part of the patient's body. And here this is how dialysis take place and help the patients who kidneys doesn't function well. So here we have understood about excretion which take place in human beings. Next time we'll discuss further topic of the chapter. By the time read this part, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.